elegant looking living area. This is the beautiful looking kitchenette area. Spacious looking master bedroom that's been given over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Midtown Bay by Priscon Developers, which is located in Mahim West. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, and what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. Well, Midtown Bay by Priscon Developers, which is located in Mahim West. From here, you get the Sitla Devi Mandir, which is just at a walking distance. And this project is going to be a standalone tower of ground plus 49 stories, and it is going to be having 2 wings, and the configurations is going to be like 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK as well as 3 BHK premium apartments. Well, now let's talk about the connectivity that this project offers. So Shivaji Park is just like 2 minutes drive from this project, as well as you can connect to BKC in just 10 to 11 minutes. Then you can connect to Sobo in just 10 to 11 minutes. This project is off Cadell Road, and from here you get Mahim railway station around 3 to 4 minutes drive. Upcoming metro station is going to be near Sitla Devi, which is also at a walkable distance of 1 to 2 minutes. As well as when we talk about hospitals, this place you get a lot of good connectivity for hospitals at an easy reach. You get SL Raheja Hospital, as well as you get Hinduja Hospital, and you get Leelavati Hospital, as well as many other good hospitals are just at an easy connectivity. Then when we talk about schools, so Bombay Scottish School is just 4 minutes drive from this project, as well as many more good international schools as well as colleges are at an easy connectivity. You can easily connect to the ceiling in just 10 to 11 minutes, as well as good restaurants, shopping complexes, malls are also within an easy reach. Well, now let's talk about the amenities part. So this project offers 45 plus luxurious amenities, modern amenities with the likes of a terrace jogging track. You get an infinity pool, gymnasium, business center, kids play area, as well as many more wonderful amenities. So without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. And also before we go ahead, if you need more information about different projects at this location, you can just click on the I button. So right now we are heading towards the 2 BHK sample flat of Midtown Bay by Priscon Developers, which is located in Mahim West, and this is a 580 square feet carpet area. So let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, this is the beautiful and elegant looking living area. This is your dining area and this is your seating area. And from here you see a beautiful view of the city from here. These are half front sliding windows that have been provided. The tiling is marble, as you can see. Italian marbles are going to be provided for the tiles. And yes, it's a beautiful looking room. Now let's go and see the kitchenette area. Before that, here is the common washroom that's been provided over here with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, a nice spacious washroom, a small window for your ventilation as well. This is the beautiful looking kitchenette area. This is your half front sliding window, as well as your deck area is also, a dry deck area is also provided. And let me tell you, this is additional and does not come with a designated carpet area. This is an additional that's going to be given to you by the developer. Now let's go ahead and see bedroom number 1, which is right here. Wow, look at this, a nice beautiful looking bedroom number 1 that's been given over here. Ample space for your wardrobe has been provided over here. Half front sliding windows are going to be provided over here with a nice beautiful sea view, city view, depending on which side you purchase your flat. And this is how beautifully you can also design your bedroom. Now let's go and see the bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey you get to know the actual location tour. We give you sample flat tours. We give you pros and cons of every project. We also let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour, and we also give you all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And if after all of this, if you like the flat, then in 3 simple clicks you can do your free site visit. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit now, and let's see the master bedroom. This is the beautiful, spacious looking master bedroom that's been given over here. This is your wardrobe space that's been provided over here, and there is the attached washroom. Let's go and see the washroom. A nice big spacious washroom has been provided over here that comes attached with the master bedroom, along with a window for your ventilation as well, anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. Well, so this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Midtown Bay by Presscon Developers, which is located in Mahim West. How did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. You can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. Also, if you need more details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Also, before going, we would like to ask you, have you purchased any flat around this Mahim area, Shivaji Park? Let us know in the comment section what is your feedback on purchasing a flat in this area. And before going, you know the drill. Do like, share if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel Housey. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Midtown Bay, located in Mahim West by Presscon Realtors. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.